Ain't nobody. There's nobody. It's me driving you crazy.
Who is it?
You okay, Mom?
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Where?
Right here.
Right here where?
Right here where?
Here, where?
Under the table.
What happened?
I don't know.
Did you hear the bell?
No.
I'm telling you, you could fight me unto death in here. Didn't you see me running up and down in here?
No, I didn't see you.
Asking who is it?
No. No, you're well protected.
Huh?
Said you're well protected.
Yeah, but that's not the thing. Didn't you hear somebody ringing the bell?
No.
They were ringing the back doorbell, and they were ringing the front doorbell. And did you see me running up and down?
No, I was sleeping.
Aaron, what are you doing under this table sleeping? But then you watch it, because if somebody was trying to see if somebody was here. Somebody is trying to get in here.
No, ain't nobody trying to.
It wasn't you ringing the bell, Ellen.
No, I'm the keyboard.
Is that what that was ringing?
Yeah.
Well, then tell me something. Don't do that. Stand down already.
I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, but don't do that.
For Whom the Doorbell Tolls, sent in by Aaron Lewis from Queens, New York. For Whom the Doorbell Tolls, sent in by Aaron Lewis from Queens, New York. Aaron, hey, how are you?
All right.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
Now,
you.
I understand, Aaron, that you had just got your video camera.
Yeah.
When you decided to play this mean trick on Mom, right?
Yeah. I wanted to catch her at her most relaxing moment and just drive her crazy. That's all.
And apparently you did.
Yeah, she was mad at me for like 3 years.
Oh, no kidding. Well, you know, it's great. You got the $10,000 now, and you're eligible for the $100,000 drawing, and all that's really good because you thought she wasn't mad at you anymore, right?
Yeah, I
thought
I wasn't.
You know what she said to me? You're out of the will, buddy. Congratulations.